What's up, everyone? All right, well, here we are, Thursday morning, and today was a great day. Today was a day where I didn't get too aggressive. I kind of had that perfect balance of traded well, traded with decent share size, and then scaled back once I started to get over my profit target for the day. And I ended up finishing above goal. So that's a great day. And, this is Thursday, we're coming to the end of the week, and this week has been green, but I wasn't super happy with how I was trading on Monday, Tuesday, and even a little Wednesday because I felt like I was being a little too aggressive. And I was like, this isn't really that much different from what got me in the red Thursday, Friday of last week. So, as I sat down today, I was like, trade with smaller size, be a little more conservative. And I think I did that pretty well. So we'll go over the trades in the recap today. I'm green on, I think it's 4 out of the 5 stocks I traded. I started red about 700 before rallying up into the green. And so overall, went from red to green, finishing above the goal. It's a great day. Now, a reminder, market is closed on Monday. So tomorrow's our last day before a holiday weekend, and I'll be on my traveling trading station again. So tomorrow we'll probably try to finish the week taking it slow, again, just like today. Smaller size, conservative, get in, get green, get out, don't overstay my welcome. And then if I can finish, the week here with 1 or 2 more green trades tomorrow, I'm going to be very happy with this last the past week that we've just finished up. So, of course, next week's a 4-day week, and then we've got the end of the month already. We're cruising towards the 4th of July. So that's what's going on here. We're going to recap it. I hope you enjoy the recap as always. I'll see you back here first thing tomorrow morning. And reminder, please take it slow as a trader. Trading is risky. My results are not typical, and there's no guarantee that you'll find success whether you learn from me or you trade on your own. So take it slow and manage your risk. All right, enjoy the recap, and we'll see you first thing tomorrow morning. So I'm going to be grateful for the profit that I have today because we are seeing some big whips on AERC. I mean, this thing, 2370 was yesterday's high. So rallying up there, and then look at this rejection, halting down right now at 1978. Typically I would say if that false halts, I'd be a dip buyer, but it's a real halt. And look at SIDU. SIDU had a similarly nasty candle. Look at this, up to a high of 815 and then flush all the way down to 695. And let's add a third one, CMRA. This one attempted to break a VWAP up to 467, halted down at 387. So you're seeing ADN holding up, but for how long? I just can't trust it. I can't take the risk. I am grateful to be green. If we go back to my first trades on SIDU, I actually went red $700 on this. My first trades on it were in this range right here. It was in this range right here. It was at about 815, 805, whatever. So on this one, I got in, my first trade was for the break of 850 right here on this 1 minute pullback. False breakout, lost 700. And then it rips. And I got back in for that move. And that right there gave me all the profit that I have on SIDU. This was all chop. I didn't want to touch this stuff. Then we had CMRA. CMRA, right here, squeezed up from $4 up to $5.40. Jumped in as it was hitting my scanners, rode the momentum up. I was happy with that. AERC, this one, was happy to trade it as it was breaking out here at the open. And I am glad that I didn't overstay my welcome on it, because what I've tended to do is size up, size up, size up, size up. And then on my last trade of the day, I've got the biggest size. And why would I do that? It's because I'm trying to scale up for that big trade, that kind of home run trade. And on a day like this, it could easily send me from up 5, 6, 7,000 to flat or even red. So on AERC, was happy to take the trades. First one was right here, took that trade and then traded it again at the open. VIVK, this one, got a nice trade as it was squeezing up here, but that one didn't hold very well. And HTCR is the only one that I'm red on today. $200, bought this at 223 and stopped out at about 215. 4,000 shares, kept the stop tight, bailed out. It didn't want to hold, I'm out. I'm not going to overstay my welcome. And, to be honest, it's easier with smaller share size to have less emotion and just hit the bid and bail. When you start trading 30, 40, 50,000 shares, you can't just hit the bid and be out with the whole order without massive slippage, $5,000 of slippage. So it starts to become more emotional in the trade because you're like, oh man, I don't want to stop out and get shaken out prematurely only to watch this thing rip right back up. So you tend to hold it a little longer. Next thing you know, you're capitulating and you're bailing at the bottom and you're down far more than you should be. So sizing down, it's just easier to pivot with small size. You're light on your toes. You could jump in, you could jump out. You could jump back in, you can jump back out. And it just feels safer. And the overall market right now is selling off. So, here we are just pulling back more. We had a nice rally yesterday, and then now we're gapping down and we're back lower. So, we're officially in bear market, down 20% off the high, but we've been in a bearish trend since January 1st. So, this has been so far, pretty much a bear year. And, that's just the way it is. So it's that much more important to stay light on your toes, not overstay your welcome. So even though it's early, I'm happy with my gains for the day. I think that I've done well enough. We had some great opportunities between 8 and 9:45 here, and I think that's good. So, that's me locking it up early. I could keep trading with small share size, but after those few rejections, I don't even think that that's worth it. So that's it. Tomorrow's Friday, and then we've got a long weekend, market holiday on Monday. So I'll be back tomorrow, Friday, try to finish up the week strong. I'll be on my traveling trading station tomorrow. And then, we'll be back at it on Tuesday morning. And we'll see what the market looks like at that point. I don't know. I can only guess. But, all things considered, the overall market was extremely extended. I mean, you look at that move that we had going in through 2021 up to, January. I mean, we were really extended. So giving back and being back to where we were in, 2020, kind of before COVID, I mean, that all things considered, it's like that's not the end of the world. It's a sharp pullback, but I think we were artificially high, and now we're kind of coming back down. And hopefully inflation is able to get dialed back in, because nobody wants to be spending, as much as we're spending on things. It's ridiculous. Gasoline, $6, $6.50, $7 for diesel is outrageous, but whatever. SIDU, so you got a little bit of a turnaround on it. It's a roller coaster ride. Goes down and then right back up. I don't have the stomach for that ride today. I can't risk it. So that's okay. I don't need to risk it. I'm at $7,356.61. That is a great day. I'll be back at it first thing tomorrow. So, reminder as always, trading is risky. My results are not typical, and most beginner traders lose money. So take it slow. Don't overstay your welcome. Think about what your goal is. What do you actually need to be making each day, to be paying your bills and getting to where you want to be. If you get there and we're in this kind of market, you should be grateful. All right, be back at it tomorrow. I hope you really enjoyed that video, and make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Our goal is to hit 1 million subscribers this year, but we won't get there without your help. So please, please, please hit that subscribe button.